Hello, fellow Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is June 4th. That means there are 204 days left until Christmas. Welcome back to the showdown. Today, we're lighting up the sky. Christmas lights versus fireworks. Christmas lights, they glow softly everywhere on houses, trees, streets. They last all season long. Now, fireworks, boom, bright, loud, and explosive. Gone in seconds, but unforgettable. Which one are you choosing, slow magic or big moments? Lights are steady, fireworks are instant. Lights are calming, and fireworks are exciting. But here's the real question. Would Christmas feel complete without lights? Because fireworks are amazing, but lights, they're part of the feeling. Would you trade Christmas lights for a huge fireworks show on Christmas night? Come back tomorrow, where we're going to talk sweaters versus swimsuits. Remember, the next time you hear my voice on this podcast, we'll all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.